But now you are independent girl. You do whatever you want to do. Yeah, no restrictions. Later you will say, "Oh, my husband, I have to cook for him. My children, my ch child is not well. I have to stay with my child. My child is annoying me. What to do? How to manage? I have to go to the job and all these things."
Okay, so
Okay,
how are you doing these days?
I'm doing great. What about you? How you are doing?
Yes, I'm pretty well too. Thank you.
Belated happy birthday. I saw you one of the reel and you were looking fantastic over there.
Oh, thank you so much. Yeah, and the last week I was quite busy with my office work and
Yes.
I had my birthday also, so I couldn't do any conversation as well. So I just thought today I
Yes.
can do. But yeah, still to manage, both the things like office work and this. So sometimes it is quite hectic as well.
I don't know how you do this multitask. You are so young and you are celebrating your birthday with your colleagues and also you having a YouTube channel, your study and your work. How you are able to do all these things together?
Yeah, it's as I mentioned that sometimes it is quite hectic as well. And these days I can say that I'm not, doing this kind of conversation every day. So I just
Yes.
manage like alternate days or some after 1 days or 2 days of gap.
Yes. Yes. That way you can maintain your, professional and personal life. That is good. And yeah, this that is good. Good to see you after a long time.
Yeah, same here.
Okay, so say something about your birthday. How did you celebrate your birthday? At office or in the thing home as well?
So actually, I'm in my hometown, so I celebrated with my school friends because they are still
Oh,
in touch with me. So
wow.
they
Yes.
planned like one of the restaurant. So
Okay.
they told me that you just get ready, and this time we have to go to that restaurant. and they
Okay.
and they came with cake and this lot of gifts. So I went there, and yeah, they celebrated my birthday. So yeah, it was a fantastic, I would say. And yeah,
Yeah.
like every year I get, very excited on my birthday.
You should be because you need to celebrate your birthday, even though my birthday that my family they still celebrate, but before my marriage it was totally different, amazing feeling, with your parents, with your siblings and friends and neighbors. So yes, I still try to sometime, miss those days. I do that because whenever I alone, I just think, oh, I used to celebrate my birthday with my families, and still I'm celebrating my birthday, but it is not like that much because here we are just four members in my family, so this is hard to. I miss, being with my brothers, sisters, and my mother, my in-laws. So
Yeah, you are right. And after, coming back, I celebrated with my family members as well. So it was kind of busy day for me. But yeah, I enjoyed a lot.
double bonus, double gifts, yeah.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay,
Actually, it was 3 times because one of
three
my
times.
relatives, yeah. So one of my relatives, actually, I was coming back to my home. I went to temple first. So my relative met me, like on the way. So he just asked me like, where are you going? So actually, he lives nearby my house, not too far, I would say. So I just told him that it's my birthday today, and yeah, I went to temple and I'm coming back. So he told me like sit on that bike, and so I will drop you to your home. So I just thought he will drop me, so I went with him, and he took me his house, and they they got me cake and everything. They celebrated like again my birthday. So yeah,
Oh
it was a
wow.
like 3 time birthday celebration.
It was totally surprise for you, yeah.
Yeah.
That is good. It is a memorable birthday for you then. You
Yeah.
celebrated your birthday thrice, so that's great. Good,
Yeah.
good, good to see you. I saw your reel. I say, wow, she's looking so pretty and so happy.
Yeah. And yeah, I
Okay.
think whenever I'm with my friends, so I just feel very happy. You can say you are, free from all the worries, and you are
Yes,
in front of your
yes,
friends, and they are just,
yes.
doing the funny things. So it is like,
That's true. We still feel like we are still children because when we are with our friends, we don't think about future, we don't think about the past, we just enjoy our life. We are in present moment. So I think it is a good blessing to have a nice friends like you have a nice friend. So this is good. I feel jealous. I'm joking.
Yeah.
I know I'm not feeling jealous. I'm happy for you actually. I'm happy for you. Yes.
Yes.
Okay, that's good. How is the office life going? Before you said that you used to work from home. Are you still working from home?
Yes, I'm still working from home.
Okay.
And today is Navratri festival, first day
Mm-hmm.
of Navratri as well. So yeah, we did some worship and all. Because in my
Yeah.
home we celebrate in a like grand way, I can say. So yeah, it was also a good day for me today.
Okay, continue. I'm very happy seeing you after a long time and hearing your experiences, and you are very happy. So that's great thing.
Yeah, same here. Actually, it's a very long time that we met again.
Yes. Yeah, that is true. You know what happened just a few days ago? I was thinking I am in this group, and Tanuja, she put me in this group, and she's very nice girl. She's a very good girl. And yesterday I saw your reel. I say, my goodness, I was thinking about her, and she's there. And today I just go saw the message as you wanted to talk with someone. I say, oh, this is a good opportunity. I have to connect with her again. So I was thinking just a few days back even I say I am in this group. She's very kind. I was very new, and she just asked me straight away, would you like to join the Skype group? I said yes, and she just immediately added me there. So I was just thinking, yeah, she's a good girl. I have to connect with her again, and you are just there.
What a coincidence now.
Yes, yes, yes.
So, how's your channel and everything going on?
My channel is going okay. I'm not just very worried about that, but trying to do these days because I'm on holidays. So I am somehow able to manage and do that. But still, I'm just doing conversational video. I'm not just doing something extra like I'm not just having reels and other things, some informative videos. I'm not making solo videos. But maybe later I'll see when I will have 6 weeks holiday time. It will come soon. I think somewhere in December. So maybe at that time I will be able to do that.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, same here because I also don't get much time to do all like other things. But I
Yes.
always wanted to do such things. But when I see other people, they are, uh, what can I say? They are too focused on their channel.
Ah,
They are doing a lot of things. And
they are,
when I see, so that time I feel, oh
yes.
my God, how they are able to manage all such things.
Yes, we are not good. I also feel like, oh my goodness, they are putting so much effort and they are making lots of videos, and I am not doing anything because I'm very busy and you also very busy, because this is your time, you need to enjoy your life. But after marriage, you don't know what will happen. You will have
Hmm.
responsibility, children, husband, new house, new family, new culture. You have to make sure that you have to follow everything. So you have to manage all those things together. So at this moment you keep yourself free, don't worry about that, because you can make another YouTube channel later. You can just do whatever you want to do, but at this moment this is your time. You need to enjoy your life. Because you have nice friends, nice neighbors, family, so you enjoy this time.
Yeah.
Yeah. Don't miss
Even
out
I don't.
this time. And
Yeah, I don't bother too much because I already have work also. But yeah, I just feel that if we are putting effort, so yeah, sometimes we feel that we should get some result also.
that is true. Yes, 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 your channel is monetized already, yeah.
Yeah.
My channel also recently monetized, but yeah, I'm not just worry about that because I'm working here 5 days, and it will not make much difference in my salary.
Yeah.
So yes, yeah, and yeah, I'm just doing this, but I'm just thinking also if you're doing something, you need to make sure you put your 100%. But I can't really do that at this moment. Maybe later I'll see. And you also, you are very busy, and you need to enjoy your life as well, and so many other things. You don't know what will happen in the future. You have to manage so many things all together. It's a big responsibility. But now you are independent girl. You do whatever you want to do. Yeah. No restrictions. Later you will
Yes.
say, oh, my husband, I have to cook for him. My children, my ch child is not well. I have to stay with my child. My child is annoying me. What to do? How to manage? I have to go to the job and all these things. You know?
Yes, yes. And sometimes I feel like, oh my God, how I will, going to manage all such things. Because now I have only job
Mm.
and sometimes I focus on YouTube, otherwise no. But I don't have any household
Yes,
responsibilities. So after marriage,
yes,
I have to manage both the things. So yeah, it would be quite
yes,
hectic as well. Let's see what will happen.
yes. I think you will be able to manage because now you are habitual to manage your YouTube channel. You know how to make thumbnails and talk with the people. You are very comfortable. So it wouldn't be new for you because you are habitual to talk with the people. And also
Hmm.
you know how to upload the videos and you are managing your work and you are very settled in your work and you will be able to do that. But still, we cannot say future is unpredictable, you know.
Yeah. Yes.
Even I don't know what will happen tomorrow. You know, even I'm married and everything is okay. Still, I don't know what will happen tomorrow. So we cannot predict what's in there. Maybe tomorrow you will wake up and your channel will go boom.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Waiting for that moment.
It will. I think it will soon because you know I have seen that YouTubers who are very famous and their channel is doing well because they have experience actually. Before
Hmm.
they had one and two channel and they decided to have another one. That's why they know they have some experience. Okay, how they have to work, which area they need to work. So because of that they are able to build more. But because I think this is your first channel, this is my first channel, and it is hard. We don't know, we are just gaining some experience along with our material life, our personal life, professional life. So we have to manage all these things together. So I think, okay, so far so good. We need to just enjoy our moment. I'm talking with you. I'm happy, and you are sharing your ideas, your birthday experience. Yeah, I was thinking, oh yeah, you celebrated my birthday with my families and my brother. They used to make it big event, big celebration. So yeah, last time when I went to India, they celebrated my birthday over there, and my brother he said you have to wear the crown. He brought a crown for me. I said no, I'm not 16 years old. Don't do this. I'm married. I have my children. But that was amazing, yeah. Because when we have our family, maternal family, like your parents and your brother, they will treat you as a child. Yeah,
Yes.
for them you are a kid. So that is a good thing. Actually, for someone we are still kid. Yeah.
For our parents, we are always kids. So they will
Yeah,
treat you
because
like,
that
yes.
yes, yes,
And
yes.
in my family also, like I'm the beloved one of my family. Like in my all siblings, I am the, what can I say? Like he
Favorite
treat,
one.
yeah, favorite one.
Spoiled one. Spoiled one.
Yes.
Okay, I'm the spoiled one too because I'm the younger one in my family. I have two big brother. They are older than me, so I'm the younger one. So I'm also the spoiled one.
And sometimes my like sibling complains these things like my parents always treat me like they give me extra treatment, extra care and extra everything. So they just
Yes.
tell that we are not getting this kind of treatment from our parents. And she is the one, she get all the things. If she will ask for anything, so my father and mother will always be ready for that. But
Mhm.
for other
Oh, that.
siblings, they will sometimes they will say like, oh, we will do this after that, or sometimes no as well.
Yes, yeah, because we are younger ones, so we are getting advantage of that. And you know what happened? Even when we grow up, like we after marriage, we still have no maturity enough because we are the younger one in the family, and they treated us in that way. So when we get married, after that, we still like have no maturity. We still like feel okay. Someone need to pamper us. Someone has to be with us all the time, and it's never happened actually.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, Tanuja, I think time is over. Any question would you like to ask?
Not really, because I'm doing this conversation after a long gap, so I didn't think anything what I'm gonna ask.
Me too,
But
I
yeah,
thought with I also thought I said with Tanuja, I'm just going to talk just as a friend, and that's all. I have no question, nothing in my mind. I thought it's a good time, it's a good privilege to connect with you again, and that's good. And thank you for adding me in that group. I'm still taking advantage. I'm still connecting with the people, and they are very amazing people, and I'm learning from them and sharing my ideas with them just because of you.
okay, thank you so much. Yeah, we will have another conversation if we will get time. So till then,
Yes,
take care and have
you
a nice
too.
day.
Bye bye. Thank you so much sharing your